Hello friends, in previous lecture we will completed our main topic like galvanic cell and difference between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Now we will start most important question, Nernst equation. This one is a very most important for your exam, and this type of numerical also present in your board exam paper. Now we will start Nernst equation. This one is a scientist name, that's why this equation known as a Nernst equation. And Nernst equation, friends, you know, anode and cathode, this type of two reaction when occur, and these two reaction occur and works as a half cell reaction. That's why you know when LHS means left hand side and right hand side, two half reaction when occur, then this one works as a oxidation half and reduction half. And in previous lecture we will already study about why Zn works as a anode and why copper works as a cathode, because when zinc lose of electron, that's why this one works as a oxidation half reaction, and oxidation half reaction always on anode. Now second thing, cathode. Cathode means suppose we take one example of copper, then copper works as a gaining of electron, and this gaining of electron works as a reduction half reaction. That's why in Nernst equation, now we will start Nernst equation. The Nernst equation general formula is M. M means when we will use any metal like zinc, copper, silver, etc., either magnesium, these all are works as a capital M, and M is equal to metal, and raised to N plus. N plus means what? Here N is equal to its valency charge like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. All metals are different, that's why its valency is also different. Here you know when aqueous medium present left hand side, then how many protons or how many valency present, then lose of this number of electron. That's why here Ne minus. Here metal present in its cationic medium, that's why its charge is here present and its medium is aqueous. Second thing, Ne minus. N is equal to number of, is equal to suppose 1 present, then here 1 E minus, here 2 present, then here 2 present. Clear? Now easily convert into M, solid. M means metal. Clear? Suppose we take one example, means what? When zinc metal is equal to which one used? Zinc metal. Then here N plus, and friends you know zinc valency, yes, 2 plus, that's why here we can write 2 plus, and here how many number present? 2, that's why 2E minus. Clear? And this one present on left hand side, and that's why this one known as reduction half reaction. But we know zinc works is oxidation half reaction. Why? Because this one in electrochemical reaction present as a anode, and anode sign is negative. That's why zinc works as a oxidation half reaction. And how to use oxidation half reaction? Then zinc solid convert into zinc 2 plus, and when solid original metal convert into its aqueous medium, that's why this one known as aqueous, and here 2 plus, that's why how many electron remove? 2E minus. Now second thing, here suppose copper, second metal is, then copper works is in galvanic cell, copper works as a cathode, cathode sign is positive, and that's why this one is a gaining of electron, Cu2 plus, aqueous plus 2E minus gives Cu solid, and that's why this one known as LHS reaction known as oxidation half reaction, and this one always present on anode half cell. Second thing, this reaction known as RHS reaction. RHS means reduction half cell, and this one always present on cathode. Now start. Second step of Nernst equation is when E. Here we can use suppose E. E means electropotential cell. E cell is equal to E0 cell, etc. This equation also present, and in previous lecture we will study about E cell. E0 cell is equal to E right minus E left, either E cathode minus E anode. Now second thing, here when we will use E. Then in bracket M, n plus 2, either M plus single vertical line M. Means what? Single vertical line means what? Separation of original metal, and when this one convert into its aqueous medium, that's why between them single vertical line is present. E M n plus single vertical line M is equal to E0 M n plus single vertical line M. Clear? E0 either E0 when present, then this one works as its standard medium. That's why E0 minus RT divided by NF. This one is a general equation for Nernst equation. Always remember, this one is a general equation. We will not take any one metal. In next topic, either next line we take zinc and copper, this type of two metal, but this one denoted by M and N. That's why this one known as general equation for Nernst equation. And that's why here ln. ln means what? Natural logarithm. Here ln, here M divided by M n plus, means it's original solid medium, and when its concentration medium when present, concentration medium present in always molar and normal concentration like 1 molar, 0.1 molar, 2 molar, 0.2 molar, this one indicated its concentration medium, and when concentration medium present, that's why this one known as its aqueous medium. Clear? Now in this step, here this M means metal present in its solid medium, that's why we can take M is equal to 1 unity. That's why here 1 upon Mn plus. Why M is equal to 1? Because this one present in its solid medium. That's why M is equal to, we take 1. Now second step of Nernst equation, then you can one screenshot of this general topic. Okay, then we will continue about Nernst equation, means Nernst equation for copper and zinc. See, this one is a general equation, but here some symbol is present like R, T, N, F. Then this one indicated R means gas constant. R is equal to gas constant and its value is also constant. When this one present in joule unit, then 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse into mole inverse, its value. This one is always constant, please remember. And friends, you know R is equal to in 11th standard works as a gas constant, and also its value is 8.314 joule into Kelvin inverse into mole inverse. When this one convert into joule to kilojoule, that's why 8.314 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. That's why we can easily identify difference between joule and kilojoule. That's why R is equal to value which one? 8.314 joule into Kelvin inverse into mole inverse. Why here mole were present? Because this one present in its concentration medium, and concentration medium, that's why its unit we can take mole inverse. Second thing, T. T means temperature, and temperature we will use standard, that's why 298 Kelvin means what? When 25 degree Celsius convert into its Kelvin medium, that's why 25 plus 273 value of Kelvin, degree Celsius convert into when? Kelvin, then easily gives us 298 Kelvin. Now second thing, N. N is equal to, when use some metals like zinc or copper, then its valency like 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, then this number indicated N value like positive integer number valency. Now second thing, F. F means Faraday constant. Faraday constant value is 9, 6, 4, 8, 7, and Faraday value present in its Coulomb medium. That's why 96487 Coulomb into mole inverse. Okay, here Coulomb, this C indicated Coulomb, mole inverse. Second thing, when we can convert into this equation natural logarithm to logarithm, means what? When here ln word present and this ln convert into simple logarithm, log word, then compulsory we put which value? 2.303. That's why new equation is formed E m n plus m, clear, is equal to E0 m n plus m minus RT divided by NF, but natural logarithm convert into logarithm, that's why compulsory multiply by 2.303 RT divided by NF. Here ln remove and entering which word? Log, log. Here m is equal to 1 value, that's why 1 upon m n plus. This one is a general equation. Second thing, when we will use copper and zinc, this type of two metal, then suppose here we can take copper, then this Cu plus 2. Why Cu plus 2? Because here Mn plus, that's why M is equal to copper. Copper original valence is 2, that's why 2 plus slash here copper, M is equal to copper solid. Second thing, here standard potential cell E0 Cu 2 plus Cu, clear. That's why here form 2.303 RT divided by N is equal to which value? We will put 2. Why? Because here its valency 2 plus N is equal to which number is present? 2. That's why here 2. F 1 upon Cu2 plus. Clear? When 2.303 multiply by R value 8.314, when temperature value here put 298 Kelvin, here Faraday value constant 96487, then gives us directly answer which one? 0.592. You can take this one also directly, means here E0 Cu2 plus Cu minus 0.592 divided by here N. Why? Because N value may be changed. Metal when change, then N value also change. That's why compulsory we can use this type of value. When here 2 present, then 2, 3 present, then here put 3. Okay. Then here log 1 upon Cu2 plus, and here why big bracket is present? Maybe your mind one question is present, why here big bracket is present? Then its answer is concentration medium present, and this concentration medium always present in big bracket. That's why always this ionic medium write in big bracket. Clear? Now we take second example. Second example, why? Because we solve Nernst equation for zinc and copper. That's why second equation for zinc metal. That's why here when E Zn 2 plus single vertical line Zn is equal to E0 Zn plus 2 Zn is equal to 0.592 directly. Okay, and and you can also write first equation 2.303 RT divided by 2F. Either you can write also RT divided by NF ln 1 upon Zn 0.0, here log word present and here Zn2 plus. Clear? Then when addition means both equation when react with each other means between them reaction occur, then gives us general one equation like Nernst equation for zinc and copper. Then which equation is formed? Then E cell is equal to E0 cell. E cell is equal to E0 cell. Why? Because left hand side which one is present? Cu plus 2 and Zn plus 2 slash Zn. Then between them suppose negative sign either ratio present, that's why directly we can use this equation, and equation is E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.592, either second one which one is present, then RT divide by NF, then here ln. Okay, then here which two one is present? Then always remember anode upon cathode, and on anode which one is present? Zinc. That's why upper side which metal is present? Zinc plus 2, and downside cathode. Clear? That's why zinc plus 2 divided by copper plus 2. When ln removing and entering log, that's why E cell is equal to E0 cell for this reaction. Which reaction? For zinc and copper metal when present. Then gives us minus RT divided by N is equal to, we can put 2. Why? Because zinc and copper has 2 plus charge. That's why 2F log log when entering. Then compulsory here multiply by 2.303. Clear? And second thing here zinc plus 2 divided by CO2 plus. And when this all value you can put, then multiplication division between them occur, then directly form which equation? Equation is E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.592 divided by 2 log zinc 2 plus divide by copper 2 plus. Why 0.592 value is present? Because 0.0592 value is present. Why? Because when this all value you put like 8.314, 96487, 298 Kelvin and multiply by 20303, then gives us 0.0592. Here also 0.0592. Clear? Then gives us this equation, and this equation known as Nernst equation. Which one? This last equation for copper and when zinc present. Okay, that's why this one indicated Nernst equation. Now second thing, when suppose you take one more example in your textbook. One example is given like nickel and silver, this type of two metal present, and you can also put either use this equation and put the nickel and silver, then gives us last this equation, but which one is changes? N value. Why? Because this one totally depend on its valency. Now second thing, in your textbook Q word is present and Q indicated capital Q quotient value. That's why E0 cell, maybe you all are studied in 11th equilibrium chapter, then general equation may be present. A plus BB gives CC plus DD. Like reactant when convert into product, general equation. Then how to form new equation? Here A plus BB gives CC plus DD. Okay. Then capital letter indicated your reactant and product. Here arrow left hand side always reactant is present and arrow right hand side which one present? Product. And small letter indicated its small value. Clear? That's why in equilibrium chapter you can use constant equilibrium symbol Kc. That's why gives us product upon reactant. And here when we will use in Nernst equation, then E cell is equal to E0 cell minus RT divide by NF. Then here product upon reactant, that's why C raised to C, D raised to D upon A raised to A, then B raised to B. Clear? And second thing, you can also use here Q, ln Q. Why? Because this one is a equilibrium constant, either quotient. That's why in place we will use Q. That's why gives us this new equation. Clear? Friends, always remember this one is the most important. Sometimes given Q value, sometimes calculated Q, either Kc equilibrium constant. Then please remember and follow Nernst equation, either according to Nernst equation how to derive or how to give this answer. Then the step by step you can use. That's why gives us easily and most important theory and most important numerical. Again we will meet. Thank you.